The first registered to exchange as of December 2022, there are at least 13 crypto asset companies that have obtained permission from COFTRA. In this process, you will need to download your photo, KTP, ID card, and other necessary documents. Wait until the account verification is processed for 147 to 24/7 hours. In choosing an exchange, you also need to check the fees required for both the initial deposit to withdrawal to fiat currency. The second, buying Bitcoin after that, you can get Bitcoins by buying Bitcoins. How to buy Bitcoin can be done through an exchange. How to make profit using Bitcoin? You can buy Bitcoin at a low price and then sell Bitcoin when the price is rising rapidly. Meanwhile, to sell Bitcoin, of course, you must have a Bitcoin balance in one of the accounts. The third, Bitcoin trading. The next way to play Bitcoin is Bitcoin trading. Quote from this: the term Bitcoin trading refers to the buying and selling of Bitcoins in the crypto and futures markets. Well, these crypto trading traders and investors are called cryptocurrency traders. To analyze the price of Bitcoin, several trading strategies are needed. Quote by investing. Here are the ways of trading that can be done. You can keep Bitcoins after buying them as a means of long-term investment. Day trading, when buying and selling Bitcoins within the same day. You have to keep an eye on price movements so you can know when is the right time to buy and sell Bitcoins pump and dump. You can buy a high amount of Bitcoin to influence the Bitcoin price and sell it when the price has gone up. And the fourth, selling Bitcoin. One easy way to sell Bitcoin is to use a Bitcoin exchange. Bitcoin exchange generally provide a temporary wallet to hold the balance of the fiat currency or cryptocurrencies to be traded by users. That way, the transaction you make will be guaranteed safe. It's just that it's a good idea to choose the right exchange so that Bitcoin selling activities can run smoothly and profitably. And the fifth, free Bitcoin. How to play Bitcoin for beginners can also be done by getting free Bitcoins. One way is to mine Bitcoins. However, mining activities cannot be done easily. There are at least 4 ways to mine Bitcoins, namely, mining in the mining pool called